Sometimes I don't know the reason why, so I guess I'll keep gambling. Lots of moves and lots of rambling. Well, it's easier than just waiting around to die. Well, one time, friends, I had a mar. I even had a bar. He beat her with a belt once, 'cause she cried. She told him to take care of me. She headed down to Tennessee. Well, it's easier than just waiting around to die. Then I came of age and I found a girl in a Tuscaloosa bar. She cleaned me out and she hit it on the side. Well, I tried to kill the pain. I bought some wine off the train. Well, it's easier than just waiting around to die. And a friend said he knew where some easy money was. We robbed a man and brother, did we fly. But the posse caught up with me and they dragged me back to Muscovy. And now it's 2 long years waiting around to die. Now I'm out of prison and I got me a friend at last. And he don't steal or cheat or drink or lie. Well, his name is Codeine and he's the nicest thing I've seen. And together we're gonna wait around